Welcome. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to generate Moodle numerical quizzes via LaTeX by using Moodle package in LaTeX. Now shift to the overlay file. So in this overlay file, I have included a package called Moodle that is very essential. Now the general structure of the document is begin document, end document, and here I want to create a quiz. That's why I started with the begin quiz, end quiz. Now whatever name you want to give, that name you can give. This is a quiz name or the category name. Now the general syntax to create a numerical question in LaTeX is, so start with the begin numerical and end numerical. That is the syntax. Now we know that the curly brackets or curly brackets are the mandatory and square brackets are optional. Now in the square bracket you can give the optional part, that is a points, multiple, shuffle, like that. Now here you can give the question name, whatever name you want to give, that you can give. Now here first line you have to give a question text, that is a question, and generally the numerical question having a single answer, that answer you can start with the atom. Again this square bracket is optional, where you can do the feedback or fraction grading, etc. And here you have to mention correct answer and end numerical. So let us start with a simple example. Suppose begin numerical. So for the optional part I will use points, means grade points is equal to 2. If further any optional part you want to use, you can. And suppose the question name, whatever question name, I will write it as a n1, suppose, that is numerical question number 1. Now the question text, simple, I will start the value of 7 plus 12 is, now here you have to mention the correct answer. 7 plus 12 is 19. Now in the optional part you can mention a feedback or anything, that I will remove. Suppose you want to give a feedback, then the option is feedback equal to, in curly braces you have to mention. So this is suppose a numerical question, whatever feedback you want to give, that you can type here. Numerical question 19. If I want to give more answers, again that item equal to 19.00. Suppose someone is giving that answer in fraction, then 19.00. Okay, so in this case I will only consider single example and I will compile the file. Now you can see the output. Just it's loading. So meanwhile we have to create, okay, that question name is n1, the value of 7 plus 12 is, now this option you have to click, which is logs and output files, where you will get other logs and files. So from that output Moodle.xml. So the downloading has been started. Within a fraction of time that downloading will be there. That downloading is output Moodle 1. Now meanwhile I will shift to the a course in Moodle. A course name is a demo. So here I want to create one more quiz. Suppose I will use quiz, where it is, yeah, quiz I will add, and meanwhile I will import that question bank. That question bank I uploaded as a format output Moodle.xml. So that I have to import. So here I will give the name of the quiz is numerical quiz. Rest of the settings I will not check, directly save and return. After that you have to go to the course administration, and from course administration you have to upload that question bank. So it's taking little bit time, my net is maybe slow. Okay, now the quiz is created. So after that I will go to the course administration, and from course administration go to the question bank, import a question bank. So while importing a question bank you will get a different options, that types of a file. From that suitable type you have to select. So in our case the suitable format is Moodle XML format. Now drag and drop that file. So this file we have to drag and drop here. Now import that file. So if you are getting a message in green color, that means your file imported successfully with the category name, whatever name we are using that category. Okay, that green color you are getting. I will continue. And after that I will go to the quiz and I will upload this question. Only one question I am explaining here. Okay, that question is uploaded with the name as a N1 and this symbol stands for the numerical. Okay, in last video we have seen how to upload the MCQ type questions. Once again I will go to the course, demo course, where I created the second quiz with the name as a numerical quiz. Now right now there are no questions. So for the first option you have to click on the edit quiz and then add question. Now in this case we have to add that question from a question bank. That's why I will select question bank. So you have to select a proper category. Now in this case we have created that question with category name as a numerical quiz with one question. If more than questions are there, that questions will be appeared in the brackets. Now that questions will be displayed, and from that how many questions you want to load, accordingly you have to select the questions. Select the questions. In this case I will select all. Add selected question to the quiz. Now the question has been added, only one question. Here you can observe that the points or the marks for this question is 2, because in the optional part we have mentioned points is equal to 2. So once again I will go to the quiz. Now click on the numerical quiz. Now we have added one question to that. Now click on attempt quiz now. Now the questions will be displayed, only one question is there. So that question and that format we will check. Now here you can observe that is a numerical type question. The value of 7 plus 12 is, so you can give 19 or 19.0. Now finish attempts, submit all and finish, submit all and finish, do the confirmation. After that you will get a grading of that. So other parts of the quiz settings I have not applied, then you will get a grading of that. Now here you can observe that it is graded as a correct answer. So if you go back to the questions, we have added two questions. One is 19, that is also correct. One is 19.00, that is also correct in decimal places. So thank you for watching.